Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about myths when it comes to servicing your vehicle. And we're just going to go over a couple of these that I found on the internet that actually gave me a little bit of a laugh, and I thought that maybe we could talk about these. Number one, fuel grade. It says that, I found a spot that said, well, if 89 octane or 87 octane is great, then 92 is even better. You should actually put in your vehicle what it calls for. That's what the engine was engineered to run on. If your vehicle calls for 87 octane, you're just fine using an 87 octane fuel. Find a quality station to get it from. It's the additives that help keep your engine clean. Another one said that you should change your coolant every time that you change the oil on your vehicle. Nothing could be further from the truth. If you have extended life coolant, we recommend every 3 years, 50,000 miles, replace a thermostat with it. So that's what you should go through on that. No need to spend the extra money. Brake fluid's low, just add brake fluid to it. Nothing could be further from the case on this. If brake fluid's low, something's worn. A proper vehicle brake inspection by a qualified technician is required at that point. Keep your family safe and yourself. If the battery dies on your vehicle, get it jump started and you're fine. You actually need to have it tested. Could be a bad battery or alternator.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.